Okay, we have Isaac and Tana and Michael. What are y'all doing?
The Fantastic Four.
We're just triple phone. We're gonna give you lip service. How's that?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, they're lip syncing to something that DJ has on the laptop over there on the right. All right. Okay, let's give it up for Isaac and his crew.
Put him up, put him up!
Let's give it up. Give it up.
The roof is on fire.
Today.
Does this involve taking your jacket off?
Did you turn this off?
Around your head
Oppan Gangnam Style.